Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can embed videos into PowerPoint, so let's get right into it. Firstly, what you want to do is locate the video that you want on the internet or wherever you want to find it, and you need to copy the link of that video. I found a stock video on YouTube that I copied the link to, and once I've done that, now I can go into PowerPoint. As you can see, I am in a empty slide, in an empty presentation, and what you want to do from here, you'll probably be on home. You want to go into insert, and from here you have video. Now here, as you can see, there is a link video or an option that says video from website. You should click that. For some reason it is not available for me, but I could choose video from file if it's a file on my computer, or a clip art video. If I click clip art, it's just some stock videos here, and well, pretty much just some PowerPoint clip art, but that is unneeded for now. But yeah, if you want to, you just go to video and click video from website. It should be available to you. It might not be available for me since I didn't activate my product yet, but that should work for you. And you just enter the link to the video, and once you enter it, it'll be inserted from the internet and it'll be embedded into a presentation. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.